Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to survive your first night in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Here's what you're going to do. Start by punching trees to collect wood. Aim for at least 12 logs initially. Create a crafting table from wood planks, then craft wooden tools. Gather additional wood, stone, and coal for tools, torches, and fuel. Construct a simple shelter by digging into a hillside or quickly building a wooden or dirt hut. Place torches inside and around your shelter to prevent hostile mobs from spawning. If possible, craft a bed using wool from sheep and wood planks to set your spawn points. Hunt animals for eat or gather berries from bushes for food. During the day, explore the area around your shelter for resources like iron ore and clay. Dig a staircase mine to find coal, iron, and other valuable ores for crafting and smelting. Upgrade to stone tools as soon as you have cobblestone. Craft a chest to store extra items and prevent losing everything if you die. Create a fence around your shelter to keep mobs like zombies and skeletons away. Start a basic farm near water using seeds found from tall grass or villages. Make leather armor or iron armor. Stock up on torches, food, and tools for nightfall. During the night, stay inside your shelter to avoid hostile mobs until you're better equipped. If you must venture out at night, carry a sword for protection. If you have iron, create a shield to block attacks from skeletons and other rage mobs. Don't look at Endermen directly as they are hostile unless provoked. If near water, craft a boat from wood planks to explore nearby rivers and oceans. If you find a village, trade with villagers for useful items like food, tools, and armors. And use a bed to skip the night, but only if your shelter is secure from monsters. And that's how to survive your first night in Minecraft Pocket Edition. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.